Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a sway crosswalk. Obviously it's going to be a lot easier to do if you already know how to do a sway. So if you don't know a sway, head off, look at the sway clip, and we'll see you after you've learned that. So, sway crosswalk on its own looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3. We ended cross-handed. It would be just as easy to drop a hand and go into the left or end up right to right. Okay, so let's break it down. Starts like a standard sway. So man's right, lady's right, semicircle push, step back. Guys step back at the same time as the lady. And it's also going to help you if the guys move a fraction to the left. As we pull to bring the lady forwards, we relax the hand a little bit, take it down over to the right. Now as we do this, we want to try and avoid folding the lady's hand into an uncomfortable position. So I'm actually going to place Karen's hand flat onto her hip, leave my thumb tucked in behind and a couple of fingers over the top so I can recollect the hand easily when I need it. And we're going to end up hip to hip, feet together, ladies offering the left hand as usual so that if the guy needs it, the hand is available and you're not going to get stuck. And then all you're going to do, sway the lady back, lady's going back on the right, so pulling back on the right hip, guys stepping back on the right as well, shift the weight forwards onto the left, and then we're going to sweep the legs over to the left, so we cross over, then the left's over to the right, then the right's over to the left, lift the left hand, send the lady away, keeping the right low, guys backing up, there's your turn, return, and step back. And you're done. So let's do that again. We'll give you the other view and we'll put some numbers on it. So we go semicircle back, 1, wrapping side by side, picking up the hand, 2, sway the lady back, 3, weight forwards, 4, crossing over, 5, 6, 7, send the lady away, 8, facing 1, return 2, and back 3. So let's do it. Here we go, to a count together. 5, 6, a sway, cross, walk. We go a back, wrap, sway, sway, cross, 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 over and out, return and back. That's it. Hope you've enjoyed it. We'll be back next time with another intermediate modern jive clip. As always, like, subscribe and hit the bell, that way you'll know every time a new video comes out. We'll pop a music recommendation on the end, and thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.